Hi everyone, this video is for those who is already getting Mix Clip feature to work properly. Mix Clip or semi-track transition is a new feature in Kandalib version 2012. In this example, I just added 2 clips. If I click on Mix Clip or press the shortcut U, this message appears. To make this work, you have to shorten both clips in a half a second. You have to notice that the fourth number here on timeline represents frames. In this example, I'm using 30 frames per second, so this fourth number goes up to 30. So let's make this work now. You have to slide down the upper limit of the first clip by at least 15 frames, and slide up the lower limit of the second clip by at least 15 frames. Now bring down the second clip to the first one and select the first or the second clip and press U. And now you have the semi-track transition.